What's up, everybody? I'm Mark.
And I'm Faye.
We're the Grill Dads. The Grill Dads.
What? That's tickles.
We're coming at you with our new dry brine series that we've done with Spiceology.
Well, first of all, Zach, can you do us a favor? Can you just pan up here real quick? Just look where we are right now. We're in Wallace, Idaho, about 50 minutes from Coeur d'Alene. Absolutely gorgeous. In the middle of wilderness. Got a couple Airstreams back here. Got a big Ford on the backside. We allowed to say those brands?
Are you done with the tour? Can we make some food?
Sure, go ahead.
All right. So here's the deal. Dry brines. This one's called Lemonade Thyme. And we call it bird bath because we originally designed this to do poultry with it. But guess what? This is the perfect cure for salmon. Now, if you're gonna
kind of like chicken of the sea, right?
No.
It's not?
No, they're nothing to do with each other. That's tuna.
Oh, right, this is salmon.
So we just pulled this salmon out of the river. Faye wrestled him out of a
I
bear's
fought
mouth.
with it. It was a big fight, man. I got him though.
So-
right in the, hooked him right there.
We realized when we made this dry brine for chicken that we'd also accidentally created the perfect ready-to-go cure for fish.
This is true.
Right? So this has salt, sugar, thyme, lemon, a little garlic, a little white pepper, a little red pepper. It is epic. So
No, it smells fantastic, but it's great on poultry, and we found out, like you said, well, you said we just discovered it. Actually, Spiceology knew that. They in fact told us that.
I knew too, actually.
I did not.
So you can use this with salmon two different ways. If you want grilled fresh salmon, 3 or 4 hours before you're gonna eat, sprinkle this on both sides.
Yep.
And then rinse it off and cook. It'll actually just give it a little tiny quick cure, and it'll season just enough all the way through. But today we're doing almost like a gravlax. We're gonna do a cured and then cold smoked salmon.
Yep.
So
You see that? Make sure you get the label.
has a little bay leaf in there.
Yeah.
Cute little chickens too. You see little chickens?
See a little drawn by
Do you see
Sarah
the little chicken down
Anderson.
here? That guy right there?
Little guy?
Yeah. And you just gotta shake it up. All right, here we go. We ready? Now, actually, let's do the bottom side first.
Yeah, do the bottom side
Will you
first.
pick it up? Because I'll show you.
How about that?
All right.
Now, we're probably gonna only do about, how many pounds is the salmon?
This one's about 80.
80-pound salmon. So for an 80-pound salmon, you use a truckload of Lemonade Thyme. No, this is what, a 2-pound salmon? Roughly?
This is probably a couple pounds. So for this one, with the chicken, we measure it out. With the salmon, we just want to get a nice even coat.
Yeah. I'm gonna flip it for you, Mark. All right, we'll pull this back a little bit. Boom. Get this side.
All right, we've got it completely covered, both sides. Now we're gonna move it to saran wrap.
Close it up. There we go. That's biodegradable. We're in nature. You have such delicate fingers, Mark. You ever thought about being a hand model?
Get away from me.
All right, so we're gonna put this in for, what, 4 to 5 hours?
24 hours. Put it for 24 hours, flip it halfway through, but we're gonna put some weight on it.
Okay.
All right,
That's it?
you finish.
You got it. Seeing that? Anybody else? Oh, salmon workout here.
Oh yeah. Hey guys.
Oh, hey.
All right, our salmon's been in the fridge for 24 hours.
Yep.
Now we actually want to rinse this off. Since we're camping, we don't really have a sink. So,
Who needs a sink?
Faye, as I do this, just kind of
You got it.
brush it off with your glove.
Okay.
It'd be great.
You got it. Keep going. Give me a little bit.
Oh, look at that. And you can tell that the fish is actually firmed up.
Yep.
Ooh, yeah. Now, check out this setup. We've let this fire die way down, And right now you can see we're just putting a little bit of smoke on it.
Mm-hmm.
We actually don't want to cook the salmon.
That's right.
We just want to get a little smoke flavor. We love that cured flavor from the brine. And so yeah, we're gonna do about half an hour, 45 minutes on smoke.
Kind of a cold smoke technique. So if it gets a little too hot for you, if you have one of these devices here called a brio, you can just move it away a little bit and keep getting the smoke depending on where the wind is. But right now we're pretty good right in the middle. Right, Mark?
That's gorgeous.
Cool. And there we go.
Cold smoked, cured salmon.
Using Lemonade Thyme, our Grill Dad Spiceology collab. Right there it is. That on there. 24 hours. We dry brined this, cured it. Took it out, we put a little weight on it in there to obviously create a distribution, distribute the weight across it, make it even when it's cooking. Mark put it on this brio grill back here over a bunch of coals that have been just smoking for a long time. And we did it for what, 30, 45 minutes or so?
Yeah, just to get a little smoke flavor on it. Super subtle.
All right, should we give it a shot?
Yes. All right. A little dusty in the old campsite.
We're camping.
If I can get. All right. Now let's go ahead. Oh my God. Epic.
All right, so we are happy to be able to show you how to do this beautiful cold smoked salmon using Lemonade Thyme, collab with Spiceology, and the Grill
Salmon
Dads.
tail.
Ouch!
Mark. Sorry.
All right, talk about this.
All right. We did the cure with Lemonade Thyme, salt and sugar. The fish was technically cooked 24 hours, and then you put it in the refrigerator a little bit uncovered. You get this nice little pellicle, this little skin on the outside, which allows all of that smoke to stick to the fish.
Sorry, what'd you call that right there? You pointed there and said some kind of archipelago or something like that.
Pellicle.
Pellicle. I got pellicle once. There it is. Lemonade Thyme, Spiceology collab with the Grill Dad. Check it out. It's not just for poultry and turkey, it's for salmon as well. All right, go ahead, you ham. Should say you salmon.